I can see that this is my moment. This is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Una sa lahat, gusto kita batiin ng advance happy 13th anniversary. Pero mo yun, umabot tayo ng 13 taon. Bilis ng panahon. Ganun na pala tayo katagal. Yung dating nag-hi lang ako sa'yo sa Facebook. Ngayon, nangangako na sa'yo sa altar.
I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind. And I'm gonna
To my wife. Ba't ako naiiyak? Sana magustuhan mo itong simple gift ko sa'yo. At least di ka na lang basta maganda. Maganda na mabango pa.
Alam ka naman. Gusto ko nagpaalam. Pahulataw mo. Pila-pila. May rasyon ulit kayo.
Isang karangalan ang ipakilala sa inyo. Sina Mr. and Mrs. Daniel and Samantha Eduria.
Oh, Mark. Ayuda.
Mahilig na ako ipagluto. Ako kasi di ako nagluluto eh. Like, even pag sa bahay, since ako kasi yung tipo na magluluto lang ako sa bahay pagka magugutom. I mean, yung mamamatay na talaga ako sa gutom. And so,
Kasi lagi siyang nagugutom. Hindi, joke lang. Kasi, ano naman siya, alagain. Maalagain naman, maalagain. Oh, she! Thank you! Hindi na matabang yung mga lulutuin ko para sa'yo. Meron ng aanghangan ko na. Tapos, mekos-mekos na yan. Okay na ituin.
I know I'm gonna shine. I know I'm gonna shine. Oh, yeah.
Mamayang gabi, tinatanong kasi nila dito kung ready ka na ba. Kung hindi ka pa ready, okay lang naman. Ako na muna bahala. Okay, see you later. Peace out.
Tell ya,
hi, Ray. Sa wakas, after 13 years of waiting, we're finally here. I can't wait to see you in the aisle and marry you. I love you. See you later.
Okay, one last push. Hands.
Yan.
Ready na para mamaya.
Ako si Daniel, tinatanggap si Samantha upang maging kabiyak, mamahalin mula ngayon at kailanman.
Sa kalusugan at karamdaman at kasaganahan, sa tagumpay at kabiguan, hanggang kamatayan ang sa atin maghiwalay.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you love?
Thank you dahil pinalaki mo kami, pinagtapos, at huwag ka naman umiyak. At thank you sa lahat ng suporta binigay mo sa amin.
We've been through so much in our 13 years and almost losing each other have been our wake-up call that we are really destined for each other. Our relationship may not always a smooth sailing and happy, but you never let go. Even on the days when I'm at my ugliest or when I am not lovable, you never let go. but instead, you had always believed in me.
If I lay here,
Ganun talaga kagaling si Lord. Kasi binigay ka niya sa akin. Because you're the other half that will complete me. Kaya pala hindi mo mailakad ang tsinelas kung parehas kanan. Hindi mag-a-attract ang magnet pag hindi sila opposite. Pag nararamdaman mong nasa baba ako, hinihila mo ako pataas. Kaya kung pala rin man akong mabuhay ulit, paulit-ulit kitang hahanapin at paulit-ulit kitang pipiliin.
bursting into life.
How I get to deserve someone like you. So thank you for choosing to marry me today. You were my first and last, and I'm glad that it's you because I cannot imagine doing life with anyone else. I love you so much, Daniel Rainey.
Just know that these things will never change.
Daniel, tinatanggap mo ba si Samantha upang siya mo maging kabiyak? Siya ba iyong ibigin, paliligayahin at magiging matapat sa kanya habang nabubuhay? Tugon.
Opo, Pastor.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?